Hello guys, welcome again sa ating unboxing vlog guys. Ito yung sample guys mula sa Handmade with Love by Eve. Ito yung ilang crochet guys. Salamat ma'am sa itong crochet na pang Valentine's Day lang to guys. Limited na siya guys. Salamat po sa bigay. Ito po, maganda siya guys. So, i-open natin guys ulit. So, ito guys. Wow. Ang ganda niya guys. Forma talaga siyang black. Tapos may. So guys, sa gustong mag-order or bumili, contact nyo lang yung Handmade with Love by Eve. Baka nasa plaza rin sila guys. Kasi baka nandun pa sila guys. So bili na guys. At follow nyo yung page guys. Na ito guys. Nasa Facebook lang nila guys. Thank you. Guys, meron din silang iba't ibang design. Merong flowers, may pitaka, at kung ano-ano pa guys. So guys, bili na guys. At follow nyo yung page nila guys. Guys.